Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. As you all know, it is Christmas season, and that means it is time for cookie baking. And I am going to share with you a peanut butter blossom recipe. I'm sure you all have maybe made this a time or two in your life, or maybe you are just starting out on your own for the first time this season and you're looking for some recipes to make. I'm going to share with you how to make the peanut butter blossoms. This is our family's favorite. These cookies are the most requested that I get every year. Everybody wants me to make these, and then they're gone in an instant. But anyway, here is all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. Brown sugar, shortening, granulated sugar, peanut butter, vanilla, salt, baking soda, milk, flour, an egg, of course some Hershey Kisses. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees, and then we're going to open up our Hershey Kisses and take the wrappers off of them. Alright, we have our stove preheating. Now I have a bowl here, and I'm going to open up the Hershey Kisses and go ahead and open some of them. I'm not going to open up the whole package, so you're just going to go ahead and open up some of your Hershey Kisses and put them in the bowl. And then we'll go ahead and start mixing up all of our ingredients. Now I went ahead and took out my mixer. Now you don't have to use a mixer if you don't want to. I just find it a lot easier to mix up all the ingredients using one. We're going to start by adding in the peanut butter and the shortening. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up real well. Now I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that you're going to need a little bowl of extra granulated sugar, and that is, you're going to form your peanut butter blossoms and you roll them in the sugar before you go ahead and bake them. Alright, so now we have our peanut butter and shortening mixed up well. Now we're going to add in the granulated sugar. And the brown sugar. And then you're going to go ahead and beat this till it's nice and fluffy. Once that is done, you're going to go ahead and add in the egg. The milk. Vanilla, baking soda, salt, and then you're going to go ahead and mix that all up real well. And then last, you're going to add in the flour. And then go ahead and mix up that real well. Now I'm going to take out my cookie scoop here. Now if you don't have one of these, that's okay too. But I just find it a lot easier, and if you make a lot of cookies, I highly recommend getting one. You're going to go ahead and scoop into your cookie dough. and then put it in your hand and then roll it into a ball. And I have a bowl full of sugar here, and you're just gonna go ahead and roll it around and then place it on the cookie sheet. And you're gonna go ahead and do that. And you're gonna go ahead and do that until your cookie sheet is full. Form it into a ball, roll it in the sugar, and place it on your baking sheet. Now, if you wanted to, especially for the Christmas season, you could take and buy the red and green sugar crystals to roll it in as well. It makes it nice and festive. But we're going to use just regular sugar because you can make these any time of the year, not just at Christmas time. Even though I think a lot of people mostly only make them at Christmas. I know I usually only make it around Christmas time, but I do make it several times before Christmas. Since I mentioned before, this is one of the favorites. And here is what the peanut butter blossoms look like before we go ahead and bake them in the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and bake them for 8 to 10 minutes. And remember, you want to have your Hershey Kisses already unwrapped, because as soon as they go ahead and come out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and place them on top of the cookies while they're nice and warm. Here is what the cookies look like when they come out of the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the Hershey Kisses. We're just going to just go ahead and put the Hershey Kiss in the middle and push it down a little bit. Just go ahead and do this to all the cookies. And I would let them cool on the pan a little bit before you go ahead and remove them so they don't crumble. I want to thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And I will have this recipe down in the description below if you're interested in giving it a try. Let me know if you like peanut butter blossoms down below. And if not, let me know what your favorite cookie is. And I'm also going to include a playlist to the recipes that I have made so far. And I'm always adding new ones. There is other Christmas recipes in there from the past. And this is the first recipe that I'm making so far this season. There is going to be plenty more. I have a lot of Christmas cookies that I want to share with you all. So make sure that you click on that playlist. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of these fun and delicious Christmas recipes coming up. I want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.